Hello everyone, Bryan from Constellation here, and today we will go over what to do when your AC runs but isn't blowing cold air. We are creating this series of videos to ensure your home stays efficient and safe and all your maintenances are up to date. That being said, please like our page so we can keep helping you with all your home service needs. Check the thermostat to ensure it's in the cool mode. So this one's simple. Go to your thermostat and make sure the mode isn't in the off or fan position. Also, make sure the temperature that your thermostat is set for is lower than the temperature in your house. Move obstructions away from vents to maximize circulation. Once you've located your vents, make sure you feel air flowing outward. Many vents have a lever to adjust airflow. Make sure this is in the open position. Check your filter. Most indoor units are located in the basement or utility closet. Once you have located your AC filter, make sure you turn off your system either by the main power switch or by the thermostat. The filter is usually located behind a door on the piece of equipment. Visually inspect your filter, check for a layer of dust or discoloration. Look for the airflow indicator marked on the new filter. It is usually just a small arrow printed on the edge of the new filter. Slide the new filter back into the slot and replace the door. Turn the power back on to the system or reset your thermostat. We recommend replacing your filter every 3 months. However, if you do have pets, live in a highly urban area, or if you live in a new home, we recommend replacing your filter every month for the first 3 months. Make sure your outdoor unit is unobstructed by vegetation, like leaves, shrubs, or tall grass. If you notice any obstructions, gently remove the debris from around the system. If needed, run your water hose over the radiator gently. Do not use a pressure washer. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please comment below or call Constellation directly.